everyone, and a huge welcome to our July episode of Forever Matters. My name is Niamh Kiernan and I'm the country manager here in beautiful Australia. For all of 2025, we'll be coming to you from a different country office around the world. From our office here in Sydney, we look after all of Australia, New Zealand and the surrounding islands. Australia was one of the first markets that Rex opened up in, a land of opportunity, innovation and growth. With its vibrant culture, thriving wellness market and a strong appetite for natural, high-quality products, there has never been a better time to build your forever business here. Behind every success story is a series of small wins and lessons learned. Growth can be categorized in many different ways in your forever business. Let me introduce you to one of our leading lights here in Australia. From Brisbane, Isabella.
Hello, my name is Isabella Witowska, and I'm Polish grad since 10 years I live here in Australia. I'm a special needs teacher and I'm very passionate about my job. However, after 18 years of working in education, I felt a little bit burnout. So a little bit over a year ago, I joined Forever. I saw the opportunity that it created for other people and I wanted it for myself. I got super excited because I could build my business around my professional job and around my busy family on my own terms and in my own pace, which was great. If I would be giving top tips for building your forever business, it would be embrace the discomfort. Growth only happens when we actually step out of our comfort zone, and only through trying new things, making some changes, sometimes very scary changes, we can evolve. Another thing is create communities. Surround yourself with like-minded people who share similar values and goals, and show them that they can be part of something really meaningful and unique, because Forever is not only a business, but it's very empowering community. And lastly, show up in person. We have amazing online tools in Forever. However, nothing beats the face-to-face connection with other people. I'm super excited for the journey ahead of me and other people. And I strongly believe that Australia has massive potential for growth. So hey, let's make this happen together, guys.
As you can see, a thriving business begins with thriving people. We hope that you find inspiration from Isabella's journey. Our office here in Sydney is more than just an admin space. It's a community hub. Whether you're a local FBO or visiting from overseas, we encourage you to use this space. Bring your customers here. Maybe to host a one-to-one, or simply collect your orders and enjoy a glass of aloe with us. We have a very warm and welcoming environment here, and we're always on hand to help you with your business. Now, with all this talk of growth and building big businesses, let's now take the time to recognise the brand new GEM managers. Take it away, Nick.
Thank you, and now it's time to recognise our brand new Sapphire managers for the month. First up, from Japan, congratulations to Fumio Bisaka. Also from Japan, Yoshika Hara. And our third Sapphire manager from Japan, it's Ai Taguchi. Congratulations to Mildred Damasaki from Zambia. And from South Africa, Nathakwedi Confidence Digomo. Also from South Africa, new Sapphire manager, Jacina Madlingozi. Congratulations to Nobile Malasi from South Africa. And now from India, Mode Raza. And from Azerbaijan, Susanna Umadova. Congratulations to Nokothala Zulu from South Africa. And our final Sapphire manager for this month, well done to Kumo Mawesi. Now it's time to recognise our brand new Diamond Sapphire managers. From Kazakhstan, congratulations to Myra Omarova. Myra joined Forever in the summer of 2009 and has consistently been one of the very top leaders in her region. Next up from South Africa, it's Buyasiwe Kawahi. Buyasiwe is one of our current Pank 20 leaders, and 2025 is looking good as she is definitely knocking on the door of the GLT for 2026. And now it's time to recognise a brand new Diamond manager. Congratulations to Rina Seiki from Japan. Rina's career with Forever started quite gently as she spent 6 years as an assistant supervisor, but now she is flying high and has GLT well in her sights. Congratulations our GEM managers for this month.
Thank you, Nick, and a huge congratulations to all the new GEM managers this month. What an incredible achievement. Now, let's check in with Sierra Mon on what's happening with the Rex Mon Forever Giving Foundation.
Earlier this year, we followed the exciting journey of one of our FBOs as he trained for one of the hardest marathons in the world, the Marathon des Sables. Felix decided to take on this crazy journey to help raise awareness and funds for the Rex Mon Forever Giving Foundation and Charity Water, and in April, he ran 250 kilometers across the Sahara Desert. I want to thank everybody who got involved in this special project and became a warrior for water by making a contribution. Together, we were able to raise enough to fund a water project in eastern India. We're so proud to continue to support the work of these life-changing projects as they give women and children specifically the opportunity to create a better life for themselves. I'm especially grateful this month as we remember the life of our founder, Rex Mon. Together, we can help carry forward his legacy of making a difference.
Thanks, Sierra. It's always great to hear what the foundation has been working on. Here in Australia, we're not just building businesses, we're building momentum. We've got bold goals for the future of Forever here in Australia, and we're inviting the world to be a part of it. The next success story here could be yours. Now, let's take a look at the top 10 list for the month of June. These FBOs are working super hard every day and making it happen. So let's give them a very well-deserved round of applause. Congratulations to everyone on the top 10 list this past month. What an incredible achievement. I am here with just a few of my favorite products. Our products have so many different health benefits, but these are my personal favorites. Of course, we have the aloe vera drinking gel, which I've been drinking for 19 years now. The tooth gel, an everyday product that everyone uses, everyone brushes their teeth. And then our Vanilla Light Ultra Shake. Here in Australia, winter time is upon us. So propolis tablets, B propolis, is a big seller at the moment. So to take a deeper dive into propolis, let's go to Holly and see what she has to say. Over to you, Holly.
Thanks so much, Neve. Hello, Forever family. Let's talk bee propolis for just a second. Bee propolis is a very important substance that the bees line the hive with to prevent any sort of environmental assaults to enter the hive. But did you also know that it is a resinous substance that the bees use to fix the hive on the inside from anything that may prevent the queen bee from doing her job? I think that bee propolis is nature's incentive to help support a healthy immune system, and we have an amazing product called Forever Bee Propolis designed to do just that.
Thanks, Holly. We're always learning so much more about our favorite Forever products. Thank you all so much for joining us this month in Australia. We really hope you enjoyed it and learnt a lot. Next month, we'll be passing the Forever Matters across the globe, so stay tuned and see where we will land. Until then, stay focused on what matters most to you.